Right now, though, a video of Michelle Morrow, the Republican nominee for North Carolina's superintendent of schools, is circulating on social media.
Now, this video claims to be from 2021 after the January 6th insurrection, but it is resurfacing now due to a CNN article. And in the video, Morrow says Trump was still president until the inauguration, so he could have invoked an executive order against voter fraud. And if people did not follow his orders, he could then enact the Insurrection Act.
We got our verified team on this claim and then asked, can presidents invoke the Insurrection Act to stay in power? WCNC Charlotte's Megan Bragg verifies.
And this is the video that's been going around. It was reportedly originally posted a few years ago on Facebook in a live stream that has since been deleted. But this CNN reporter reposted it on X. So we really wanted to look into the Insurrection Act and see if it could have been used in this instance. Our sources, Catawba College political science professor Michael Bitzer and the U.S. Department of Defense. The U.S. Department of Defense states whenever there is an insurrection in any state against its government, the president may request the legislature or governor to call in federal services. It allows the president to deploy troops to the state.
The Insurrection Act is actually a loose set of laws that have been created to try and address any potential issues such as open rebellions or insurrections or attempts to overthrow the government.
President Eisenhower, Kennedy, and Johnson invoked the Insurrection Act during the Civil Rights Movement to enforce federal court orders desegregating schools and other institutions in the South. But Bitzer says there are a lot of gray areas with this act. He says it would be up to the courts to decide if this was something that the president could invoke and if the situation aligned with the Constitution.
I don't think any court would say a president can use the law to break the law. Certainly, utilizing the Insurrection Act as an attempt to stay in power when constitutionally, when legally, there was another person elected to the presidency. This calls into real question whether we are a government of laws or whether we are a government of men.
And guys, if you would like to read the full Insurrection Act, we have all of that linked on our website, WCNC.com. With your Verify, I'm Megan Bragg.